So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So we know after many days we're discussing about this particular stock. So it has taken a little bit of time. So after crossing the 140 rupees level also on Friday, we have seen little bit of pullback in the stock, and currently it has closed near the 139 rupees level. So many people are having queries related to the technicals of this particular company. So we'll try to discuss each and everything, and followed by we'll also try to compare the day-to-day wise deliveries, so that we'll understand how much amount of volume followed by traded activity is being taken in this particular stock. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so first discussing about the day-to-day wise delivery. So clearly on Friday, that is on 24th September, we have seen 55.3% deliveries, and we can see a huge increase was present. So if you try to compare the day-to-day wise, so there you will see roughly 30 to 25 in that range the deliveries percentage was present. But on Friday, little bit of percentage increase is also present, and downfall was also present. Almost the stock has corrected 3.2% because back-to-back momentum was present. So last 3 days itself the stock has given 6% positive movement. So more than 6 itself, 7% roughly. So that in that manner on Friday we have seen little bit of pullback. So we'll try to discuss on charts. We'll see the weekly chart and daily chart, and all the important regions we'll try to discuss. Okay, so if we observe the weekly chart time frame, so clearly we know that the stock was in very good uptrend, and we know on daily chart time frame when the stock has given a little bit of breakout on Thursday, and Friday again it has come to retest the breakout region. So currently it is taking a very good support. So what is that support also we'll try to discuss. So first, before going to support, you need to understand what is the major resistance where the company is facing, so that it can start its further journey. So the resistance is around 142 followed by 145. So in that particular region, the stock is facing a little bit of resistance. So once comfortably, if the stock crosses that is 145 plus, you can expect the stock will start rallying 150 followed by 155. So little bit of further patience is required. So it is a time taking company. So we know little bit of huge consolidation was also present, but now the stock is looking pretty good. So deliveries percentage also, as we discussed, has increased on day-to-day basis. So next, moving down, and if we see money flow index, so that is near 57. So despite of the fall that you have observed, so still money flow index is pointing in the upward direction, and it is indicating a strong momentum. Okay, so now if we see the daily chart time frame, so there you can see this was the breakout region where the stock actually earlier it was facing the resistance. So it has given a very good upside momentum, but again in the same way from the top we have seen the selling, so that is from 145 rupees level. Okay, so in coming sessions, so this 140 rupees level you need to focus very well. So since it is 1 rupee down at the current situation, so if it opens above 140, so directly it will again test the 145 rupees level. So after that, if it crosses whatever we have discussed, 150 155 can be seen in the stock. So those are the resistance. So coming to what are the major supports. So if it comes below 140, so the first support is going to be 135. So there we can see a very good region is present. So earlier resistance is going to be the support for Tata Power. So 135 and 145. So this particular region is going to decide the stock movement. So if it crosses 145, huge movement. 135, you need to wait a little bit and you need to average accordingly. So chances are there for the stock to go in upside direction. So nothing to worry related to the fundamentals. So on regular basis, we used to discuss, since it is a long-term stock, so patience is required, and money flow in daily chart is around 59. Okay, so these are the major details related to Tata Power. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and if you have not yet followed on Instagram, so do follow there and clarify your doubts. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.